understand and, to see how this new style of IT, which is driven by cloud, security, mobility, and big data, promises simplicity, greater agility, speed, and lower costs. We have with us, ladies and gentlemen, technology consultant, Mr. Dinesh Talreja. Please get your hands together as Mr. Dinesh Talreja joins us on stage.
Good afternoon. Thank you. My name is Dinesh, and I'll take around about 20-25 minutes with unveiling of some product here, and be focusing on the key trends and what's new style of IT. So I work as a technology consultant with HP, part of the PPS group, which is personal and printing and personal system group. So let me just get on to the first one, which talks about, thanks to you again, our customers. HP today enjoys the #1 leadership position, the market leadership position in almost every category, whether it's a PC, whether it's a printer, whether it's a consumer segment, or whether it's talking about a commercial segment, inkjet, laser, or even if it's a workstation, thin client. So HP today is enjoying the #1 market leadership position because of you. So really thank you for giving us that opportunity. Let me highlight and discuss few things which we are talking about the key trends today. So what are the key trends? The video which was running was talking about some of the key trends. So what are the key trends today? The first one is mobility. Now, I'm sure everybody will agree here that most of the users are using a smartphone. Yes? People have shifted from the older devices to a smartphone now. Have you ever wondered, can you print from a smartphone? Or have you ever realized or had a need that you wanted to print from a smartphone? Yes? So that's again something which is coming in, that 90% of the users are giving us a feedback. They wanted to print from a mobile phone, but either they don't know how to print it, or it's not an easy experience like printing from a laptop or a desktop, or they're facing some challenges while printing, downloading apps. So they want HP to simplify. So taking that trend, taking the feedback. Then we're talking about some of the digitization. Today, digitization is everywhere. Cloud is everywhere, which means you're scanning the documents and putting it across onto a cloud, or you're digitizing a hard copy. So everybody understands digitization. Today, the people who are using, the customers who are using our MFP products, they have given us a feedback. The copy and the fax volume is going down. Do you agree? Do you agree that in your organization, the copy and the fax volume is going down? Yes? So what is that people are looking at? They're just talking copy and the fax is going down, but something is going up. Do you agree the scanning volume is going up? Today you're scanning more and more of information because you don't want to store the hard copy. You want it in a digitized format, which is easier for a movement electronically than the physical movement. So feedback taken, we want to define our products based on those. So these are the trends which are going on. And then you talk about the security. Do you have network printers in your organization? Everybody? Okay, so ever happened with anyone, you're walking across and you see by end of the day or maybe whenever you're walking, you see certain pages lying unclaimed over there. Anybody who has seen that? Great. Do you think that's a security threat? Yes? There could be a lot of confidential information lying over there. Apart from security, do you think it's something green IT, which we should be concerned about? It's a misprint. And what about the finance? Definitely you're wasting money, right? And apart from the environment, the trees. So looking at that, you are looking for some security solutions. So we'll be talking about that. So these are the real trends which are coming in and the feedback which we have received from the customers. So we want to design our products, and the internal survey what we have done is, by 2015, what HP internal research said that we'll be scanning around about 1 trillion pages and uploading them to the cloud. So that's some figure. And we are working towards this. Sorry, not very used to this. Now, looking at the new style of IT, let me assure you, the video which you have seen is talking about cloud, mobility, flexibility of printing. Today, what the users are demanding. I want one mobile device or a device which is user-friendly, whether I'm on road, whether I'm in office, I'm at home. I want the same user experience, but with the security, right? So having said that, the new style of IT, the 4 pillars which we're talking about, the cloud, the security, big data, mobility, Please let me assure you we have new products coming in focusing on these technologies, focusing on solution to these trends, and we'll be taking one by one. What customers are telling us, let me just highlight quickly. Can't print while away from office. Does it happen with you? You're on the road. You have email access on your mobile, but you want to take a hard copy. Today at the airport, they are allowing, looking at the screen, but before this, there was a time when they wanted a printout. They wanted a hard copy. So I'm just saying that you are in the mobile world, you're actually on the road, you are in mobile office or at a customer side, you want to take a printout. How do you do that? Printing from mobile device from a mobile workforce. Is mobile printing secure? That's again a concern which is coming in. Today, people are saying, I want to print from a mobile, fine. But that again is a security leak, because if I visit one office, let's say if I'm going to a customer place, I want some documents, I can just print it and take it out. That again is not a security from a printer perspective, because I can catch hold of any document and print it there. Then it talks about security, prevent documents from falling into a wrong hand. That's what we discussed, the unclaimed pages lying at the printer. Know how to secure my printer fleet. When you enter your office premises, do you have any security? What is the first security you face while you're entering the office? You don't have security, or you have security. Some swipe cards, some proximity cards, right? Some biometric cards. You have that solution. Along with this, a security guard, and when you go in, you log on with your laptop. Again, do you have a security on your laptop? You have. But what about the printing? What about the scanning? The devices are lying idle. Today you have a device where you can just keep a product, put a document, say scan to email, scan to folder, no security, it can go wherever you want to. So that's the security I'm talking about, that it should not go into the wrong hands or reach a destination where it is not supposed to. So these are the things what customers are telling us in terms of digitization. They want better compression ratio, more flexibility, easy of use. It's not having a dedicated scanner with certain people. It's like having a network enterprise product which meets the requirement, not a dedicated, I would say a scanner there again. It should be a device which can do multiple things in a network, in an enterprise way. So, having said that, let me assure you that all our product portfolio which are coming now are really aligned with the new style of IT printing, which I'll be taking one by one. And from here, I'll request for another video. $880 MFP with built-in capabilities like ePrint, like wireless print, like NFC, which is near-field communication, and built-in utility like OCR on board. So I'll be just going to the next slide. Okay. So this product, what is, this is the first enterprise class of product launched in the industry by HP, which is supporting the Wi-Fi Direct, which is supporting the NFC. So if you have a mobile device and you can search over a Wi-Fi, then you'll find this product and you can print directly to it. I'll request my colleague over here to fire a printout and see, I'll just show you the output, to just see that it's done on a Wi-Fi Direct. Now, when I say Wi-Fi Direct, you're not doing a traditional way of mapping it through your enterprise Wi-Fi network. This is the direct over here. And also it supports a NFC, which is a near-field communication. When I talk about a near-field communication, it's a technology which is available in mobile phones where you can just bring a device, tap it, take out a printout, and you're good to go. So there you go. So this is printed over the Wi-Fi Direct. Yeah, so this device has an ePrint capability. So today what the customers are saying, as I said, they want the same experience, whether they are printing at home, they are printing in the enterprise interface, or they are on the road, or they are just with any customer client. So maintaining that, this device has a class functionality which is called as ePrint. So that means if your device From your mobile, if you can email, you can actually print onto this device. Then the next thing which is new about the IT trends, which I'm talking about here, the new style of IT is the Wi-Fi Direct and NFC. So is anybody in, can I have the lights please in the audience? Can I have the lights in the audience? I am not able to see. Anybody is using a smartphone, is trying to print onto this device? You can just, in the meantime, you can just search for it on the Wi-Fi and you can start printing on it. And for the iOS, it should go, straight. But if you have an Android, you need a HPE app, which you can just download and print onto it. The next one is the ePrint Enterprise. Now, this ePrint Enterprise is a solution which is available for the people who are mobile workforce, where they want to print something onto the printer which is available in their corporate infrastructure. So you can have a server available, and on the server you'll have all the devices onto the network mapped across. You can just fire a printout from your mobile device by entering into the corporate world, and you can take a printout. Great. Did I get this from you? From there? Thank you. Okay. So let's come. That's yours? Thank you. Okay, so that's the mobility. It speaks, it's live, it's working. So that's the fantastic part about it. And parallelly, I'll request one of my colleagues again to come on the stage and show the NFC demo while I'm taking on to the next slide, because you need a couple of seconds for a person to come and just set it up. So we'll do an NFC demo. But again, we have the widest and the expanded HP portfolio which is available with us, whether it's an entry-level machine or it can go up to the high-end network machine. The user experience remains the same. You want to print Wi-Fi, you can do that. You want security solutions, those are available. So today we have solutions where you can have authorization in terms of, first of all, who are you? Are you authorized to print? If you're authorized, are you only authorized to print or copy and scan as well? So apart from that, the organization can also track it. A lot of customers today want to know where actually the printing is happening. So they can actually track user-wise and find out the information, just educate the people that this is the printing what you're doing if they really want to bring down the cost. HP Balanced Deployment Strategy. This is something which is the key backbone for almost 15 to 17 years with HP when we designed the product. Because today, most of the organizations are focusing on giving you a network class, higher-end products, giving you high-end machines, 70, 80, 90 ppm, but they're forgetting that there are people in the organization, like some of the staffs, which require a dedicated machine because they cannot go to a network machine, wait for a printout to come, because that's going to cost a lot of time. The valuable time should not be lost. So you need high-end machines, at the same time low-end machines which are available from HP, the entire portfolio, and this is the machine which I'm talking about. Sorry? No. When you're ready, just let me know with NFC. You do? No. Are you through with the NFC setup? No, we can do it. You can? Okay, so we'll do the NFC setup live now. Can you? So we are just using a HP ElitePad 900, and with this ElitePad, what we're doing is have a picture, which is a sunflower, and we're just printing onto it using an application called HP ePrint, which is preloaded onto it, and it's available in the App Store also. You can just download from, depending upon the mobile, Windows 8 or Macintosh or Mac OS, whatever is there. And then it gives you a possibility of doing a touch and screen. So here you will see that is actually touching it. It will do the pairing and find the device. Once you have found the device, you say, okay, let's start to go and print onto it. But right now the security is not enabled. So with this, you can enable a security also. That means while pairing, you can also put a 4-digit or 5-digit password when it detects that SSID code. So you can make it secure also. Done? It's going? Okay. So thanks, Raju, with that. So about this product is Not only a multifunction, but some of the key things about this product would be that it's a high-end class machine where you have a very heavy-duty scanner available with a touch screen and with a keyboard. So today, if you want to attach metadata, you want to put the information, you can do that. HP has solutions like embedded capture, where you can define the routing and define the presets like you want in what DPI, what output format, PDF, you want to do a OCR or not, you want to do orientation, delete blank pages, all that things are possible with the embedded capture or using a solution which is HP capture and route. You can even send it across to multiple locations. Plus it has a feature called ultrasonic detection, which means that, okay, let me ask you this question. Has it happened with anybody when you've gone to an ATM to withdraw money, to an ATM machine to withdraw money, have you got less or more? Anybody? No. It uses a technology called ultrasonic multi-feed detection, which is built into this, which means the moment it's scanning the pages, it's keeping a count, and if it detects any two pages together, it stops there itself. So it stops, says, remove the pages, separate them, put it again, the job starts from there. These are some of the features about this product, and for the first time in the Indian market, we are launching a product, A3 MFP. The internal code name, we call it Dynasty. It's a 435, 35 ppm product, which is a very, very nice from an A3 copier point. It's without an ADF. It has a 250 sheet tray with a 30 ppm capability. The best part about this I like is that it has got an ePrint, smart install, which means you plug into your device, it will automatically install the drivers what you need. You don't need to maintain a CD for it. Another important point I like about this product is the tray, the design it has been done. So, do you have space issues in your offices? Most of the copiers what you have are pedestable, right? You've seen that most of the copiers which you keep in your organization are pedestable, which are taking a lot of space. So this product has been designed in such a way that it takes a space of A4 printer. Do you have A4 printers from HP? A4 size printer? Yes, everybody does. So it takes the size of A4 printer. Only when you put a A3 media, the tray gets extended. Otherwise, it's come back to a A4 position. So this is really good from a space point where you want a product for doing around about maybe, 100 to maybe 1,000 copies in a month. That kind of a load it can easily take. We're also into the HP managed print services where we really want to hear, we have a lot of customers available globally as well as in India, where you want to outsource end-to-end printing, scanning to us. We can be working as a partner, come along, understand the requirement, optimize, do the proper analysis of your spending, show you the benefits, and whatever benefits we show, up till now we are able to prove it. For some organization, financial BFSIs, we have shown a drastic saving of up to 30%. So we can do that, come as a consultant, work along with you if you really want to outsource your things. At last, just my last slide, why HP? Please again remember, we are here as #1 leader because of you. Again, thank you for that. We have an end-to-end portfolio, whether it's a thin client, whether it's a server, whether it's software, whether it's a storage, networking, and we have partner-led MPS as well as enterprise MPS, where we work along with the customers and provide end-to-end solutions from our services, managing your printing and scanning needs. So with that, I just want to say thank you. Thank you very much.
Ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Dinesh Talreja, Technology Consultant, HP India.
Thank you. Thank you.